This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today let's board my imaginary boat heading to a celebrity born in Rouen, Mr. Pierre Gasly. Born in 1996, Pierre Gasly is a Formula One driver who belongs to the Alpine team during the 2023-2024 season, just like his French teammate Esteban Ocon. But did you know the following anecdotes about him? First anecdote, Pierre Gasly comes from a family of athletes. His grandfather, Jean, was a member of the French Karting team in the early 1960s. His grandmother, named Evelyne, was a regional champion of Normandy in karting. His father, Jean-Jacques, was crowned French endurance champion. Second anecdote, he started karting just near Rouen on the Anneville-Ambourville kart track. Next anecdote, his father sacrificed his retirement plan worth €100,000 to complete his son's annual budget at the start of his season with the Renault Formula. Fourth anecdote, while he is in the anteroom of the Red Bull team, he goes into exile in Japan to participate in Super Formula, thus demonstrating all his talent. Finally, in March 2024, this football enthusiast became co-owner of the FC Versailles club, close to Paris, alongside Alexandre Moulier.